going to be doing 2016 Hyundai Elantra front bumper removal and installation. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put the bumper on. I like to line up the top first, secure with some of the push pins that we have. Alright, so once that's secure, work on one side, push this in. I'm on this side, push it in like that. And secure with a 10mm. On this side. Secure with 10mm. Go ahead and secure this side with a 10mm. Push the fender liner in. Just like that. And underneath, go ahead and secure this fender liner. There you go. Oh, my, better over here. Alright guys, so that's how you install a 2016 Hyundai Elantra front bumper and North American version. There's a Korean version, so make sure you choose the right one. If you guys like this video, go and subscribe to our channel and turn on the push notification. If you guys need any parts, go to www.redmotor.com and repaint auto body parts store. Thank you.